action!
So we're gonna go find the proper drill bit to make a hole because Javier gave me something that doesn't make holes on metal.
What's it doing? He's trying to hang a TV.
Trying to hang a TV and make holes.
But he doesn't know what he's doing.
No fucking around.
He never comes to work early and now he wants to say something.
What you mao, loco?
Okay.
Okay.
There's a real professional.
Now this one's gonna break the glass.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, here it goes. Okay. That's how you do it. You're welcome. That is how you do it.
I guided him. I made the holes first and then he knew what to do.
Good job. Okay, the top.
It's crooked, bro.
How's it crooked?
You can adjust it.
No, look, do this and do this.
You can adjust it. Yeah. Can't use a screwdriver, we have to use the thing, wrench. It's on there big time. So you're supposed to put that on the outside.
No, it's not.
I mean on the inside. It
On
goes
inside or
under the
outside?
bracket, man.
Same thing.
It's not the same thing.
Here, let me come over there and help you hold it. So you can
Look, the whole time there's a wrench in there. Add a leveling thing.
Oh, there it is. I was looking for that. I was looking for this.
Oh my god. Okay, hurry up, man. Try to have the TV up today. Is the McLaren almost done?
Yeah.
He has to put the hood things on.
It's getting there.
Yeah, you know.
It's getting there. It's gonna be ready. The hood things are there. The bumper's on. Okay, just guide me because I can't see anything.
There you go. It's not that hard. It's not rocket science.
It's not rocket science. It took you 3 hours to.
Pick it up. Go up. Hey, what are you doing?
I can't see it. Just tell me what
Let
to
me
do.
guide it. And you... Alright, that's it. We're good.
We're done.
Give up. Hey, it looks good.
3 hours.
That's it. Now make it flush on the Oh shit.
There's a car here. It's here for tire repair. You can't repair that tire. It's completely destroyed. And so it needs they actually need a new tire. But the problem is there's no keys. The car is here without keys, and without keys we really can't do much. So you shouldn't accept the car because if you have to move cars around this and that, this guy's driving without a bumper. Over here, you guys know it's a problem because we move cars really, really fast every time. So yeah, we can't have that here
You're going to Vegas today?
tonight. Yeah. So I'm
You too?
I'm gonna get dressed here and go.
You go to Vegas tonight too?
You're coming?
We leave in the midnight.
You're seriously coming?
I'm going too.
I
Tomorrow.
go to stay in the Marriott Hotel.
Marriott. Oh, come, we'll have a drink together.
Good. I enjoy it.
Yeah.
If you have a whiskey, we have a whiskey. Fuck that.
Well, I'll drink tequila, you'll drink Sprite.
What hotel you gonna stay? Marriott? We're gonna stay in the Marriott.
I'm just at Home Depot.
Snap-on. See? You don't like a Snap-on. A Snap-on save your life.
Like Snap-on. I just said that when you buy a $15 tool, it becomes like $350 after like 4 months. You're paying all interest. Yeah.
I don't buy smart things.
Well, you need tools. Yeah.
This is not a smart thing?
It is.
It's smart buy?
Yeah. It's a smart buy, but it's just not a smart. When you're paying them, it's not smart.
I have a million tools in my toolbox, and I use only 10, 13. That's it. And number 8. And I have a million tools in my toolbox.
No, tools are important. You need tools to work.
Why don't you buy him some?
It's not a good investment, man. Not for me. Lewis did a very good job on this McLaren. I'm very proud of you.
Why?
You did a great job on this McLaren. It's looking beautiful. This was a lot of work. How difficult was this kit?
It's not the kid.
Nothing was perfect, was it?
It's like every kid. It's not fit perfectly. You have to use the
Minor adjustments?
imagination.
What kid is this?
RYFT.
No, rift.
RYFT. This is a long project that is finally getting completed. A lot of hours put into this thing. I mean, a lot of overtime hours by Mr. Luigi, which is Lewis.
Hey, I got rich in this car.
Drop your flashlight.
Which one?
The good snap-on one you just bought.
This one is nice. Look. Papa. So, what do you think about this body kit?
I think you perfected it, guy.
No. No, don't say that.
Well, you did by putting a lot of hours into it.
Yeah, I got it rich.
There's nothing to do with your paycheck. We're asking you, what do you think about the kit?
Oh, it's beautiful. What do you think about Sarkis?
Which way? In
Either
which
way.
Oh, overall, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think about Sarkis as a body shop manager?
Sarkis is very good.
Would you hire him?
No. Yeah, of course I would hire
No,
him.
you would. You like him as a person, but not as a
Yeah,
worker.
as a person, yeah. Worker, he pisses me off.
Yeah.
He gets me mad. On purpose, he gets me mad.
Yeah.
He gets me angry on purpose. He does
Yeah.
stuff in the morning, pisses me off on purpose. And he knows I get mad fast. He does it on purpose. Just finish this car. We're done with this car.
What do you think about Marvin?
Marvin's good. He's one of the hardest
Marvin's
workers.
always like the background
Yeah.
guy. He's never in the spotlight.
He's one of the hardest workers, Marvin.
What do you think about Felix?
Felix has his own hours. He shows up and leaves whenever he wants.
But he gets it
Yeah.
done.
He gets it done, yeah. All he does is ask for pizza. Hey, want pizza? Hey, want pizza?
And then grabs your ears.
Yeah. Hey, Papa, order pizza.
In your ears.
Hey, he hasn't done anything here today.
Who picked up?
He has no shit.
Bro, he walks around just only me shit.
This is the longest time that we've hung around in the most not popular spot
Oh,
in the
this
last
little
2 years.
corner?
Yeah, there's like never been this many people here. So, you know, history made.
You know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Well, look professional. Look at the lines.
I love you.
I love you too.
The little bracket.
Yeah, that's what I'm
The
trying
headlight
to.
has to go the other side.
Other side? Okay, I see. So it's this side, not.
Yeah.
That's it. Oh, perfect relation.
I like your ponytail, Louis.
Gracias.
Yeah, looks good. You have a beautiful ponytail, but the middle of your head's balding.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like me.
Yeah, I tried to give you my hair, but I'm fucked up.
Yeah.
I need some vitamins.
Yeah.
We're going Vegas tonight. 11 to be there like 5. No!
Alright guys, here is a big project. This McLaren 720 right here has a full RYFT kit on there, as you can see. This is not your regular RYFT kit, this is a full forged carbon RYFT kit. The front bumper is actually the only thing that's not RYFT. That's a custom 765 LT bumper with forged carbon to match all of that. If you guys know carbon and parts, you know that's very difficult to do, but we made it happen. As you can see, the beautiful RYFT hood is on there, exposed. The really crazy part about this car, it is fully repainted. This car is not the original color. This is actually a Lamborghini color. It's called Grigio Titans. So as you can see, it's like a matte charcoal metallic color. As you can see, we did the same. So it's a satin finish, and it has a satin clear bra on top of it. So, I mean, look at that finish. It's really, really smooth, incredible looking color. All the forged carbon fiber has been clear brought as well. Check out these wheels. These are Boston wheels, and the wheels actually, we color match the face of them that same Grigio Titans color. It's all really custom finished. I mean, look at this back end. This is mean right here. All that full forged carbon, and obviously with the RYFT, they add these extensions, kind of like the 765. Looks really, really nice. But again, this is a 720, so you gotta imagine a stock 720 looks nothing near this car. As you can see, it also has a roof scoop. We changed this glass for the customer. It was cracked. Fortunately, McLaren has a big problem with those roofs. They crack, and a lot of times they don't cover it under warranty. So we had to go ahead and replace it for the customer. And then check out this beautiful interior. These seats were custom reupholstered and done. As you can see, black Alcantara with orange stitching, with black leather. A lot of detail on this car everywhere, as you can see. I mean, there's so much carbon on this thing, it's ridiculous. This was a big project. Literally, the whole car was apart. Full paint job, full forged carbon kit, the whole 9 yards. So, hope you guys enjoy it. I actually shot this video on my iPhone. Joe is being lazy. A lot of other stuff happening. You can see an 812 there. You can see an R8 there. I mean, you can see a Rolls-Royce Dawn that's smashed here. I mean, look at this thing. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix this thing. Literally was in a huge front end collision, and we already replaced the whole suspension right there. As you can see, this is all changed and brand new, but you can see some of that damage right there. Still got to fix all that, but yeah, first thing first was to move the car, so got that done.
They tried to count
See you
me
guys.
out.
Headed to Vegas. Have a good time. I love you.
Got something to spend on. count me out. I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend.